Hey, it's James from Active. We haven't given you an update in a while, but I wanted to give you some news about some of the new products we're launching in the next few months. So first of which is our new pressure washer accessory kit. And that's going to include the shortgun, a lance, a pressure washer hose that's been specifically tested for use with our pressure washers, and of course, a much discussed foam cannon. So I know a lot of you out there have been talking about foam cannons, and we want to make sure that when we launch our foam cannon, it is the best that we can make it. So we've been doing a lot of testing, and the team's been doing a lot of work to make sure all these accessories are going to work great. We know a lot of our users piece together accessories from various sources, so we wanted to make kind of a convenient all-in-one solution. In regards to the foam cannon, I think you'll see another upcoming video shortly about how some of the testing is going and some of the things that we're thinking about to try to make it the best foam cannon possible. So stay tuned on our social platforms for news when these things launch and pre-orders. And as always, thanks for your support. Another product we've been working hard on is a integrated wall mount solution. So some of the issues that we found with the initial prototypes and in some of the units in the market were really more from a functional benefit point of view. So there were a lot of things around how easy or difficult it was to mount on the wall. There was rubbing on some of the reels. Some of the brackets didn't fit properly. And of course, this was all dependent on what products and so forth you were using with a specific mount. So we've gone through a lot of revisions as it relates to that to try to make the product, as good as possible. So we're in the process of getting these issues resolved and getting the final prototype, which hopefully should be here within the month. And we'll do another video to show you where we've gotten to before we go to final production. Any other ideas, we are open to hear from you. As well, we've been toying around with some ideas in and around mobile detailing carts and other types of organization and storage solutions. So if you have any feedback or ideas, we'd love to hear from you guys. We've been working on a whole set of troubleshooting videos for the 2.0, 2.3, and shotgun, and they're all available on YouTube right now. So these will help all of our customers basically identify and troubleshoot any issues they may be having with their product, including changing the oil if they want to on the 2.3. So we think this will really provide a lot of value to our customers, and we want you guys to have the best experience possible with our product. Please follow us on our YouTube channel if you want to see some of these videos, and obviously stay up to date with all the videos that we put out. I'm excited to announce that we have a new replacement parts store on our website that allows you to buy certain parts and components for our pressure washers. Now, the 2.3 was designed from the outset to be rebuildable in a sense, and those parts will definitely be available on the site. We are also working on making the 2.0 somewhat repairable or rebuildable in response to consumer feedback we've gotten. So some of those components will become available on site, along with helpful videos on how to troubleshoot and repair these things yourself. Some of the key components that will be available are the pump head and micro switch, among other parts. And we've selected these parts not only to make sure that you can service a product, but that they are safely and easily repaired or replaced by the user. And remember, if your product is still covered under warranty, you'll be able to get repair or replacement parts from us directly. So look out for that. We really want to do it because I think it's important to be able to support our customers, especially as we gather more information on how these products are being used in the field. If you have any questions or comments on this, please feel free to share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. And as always, thank you for your support.